I am a warrior. Life is a battlefield. Every day I fight my battles. Love is my sword, compassion is my shield. I stood fierce and strong, in my chariot I go. In my heart I only hear God's voice. Go, you are a warrior. I cry out to my enemies as I raise my hand and swing my sword. Down to my feet, one by one they fall. Pride, greed, vices, lust, bitterness, and more. This is not my battle, but yours, my Lord. No blood, no sweat, no struggles. In my heart, I only hear God's voice. Go, you are a warrior. God is ever present in all my fights, cheering and cheering as I go along. His promises protects me. His mercy saves me. Thank you, Lord, for fighting my last. Now I can rest in heaven's bliss. I am home at last, a warrior no more.